Really love this shirt. Probably gonna wear it a lot. Just have to activate it. Who is he gonna call?
Who is he gonna call? There's kids that have phones that's 10 years old.
Oh, for real?
There's kids that have phones that are only 4.
Oh, for
like
real?
KK. KK has an iPhone X.
Le fini le a passé, li pap sonne parce que li va gete et machine là, il va gen bagay la donne. Les gens yo let me see.
Look at our new family member. Say hello, Mr. Bear. You have replaced our snowman. Yay!
I'll have a metal turtle. What do you mean?
This is so cool.
There's so many new things that got added. It's like rare skin, the knockoffs. My God! Oh my God! This is the rarest skin, mommy. The rarest skin in Fortnite. This came out in 2017, mommy. It's rare. No, barely even anybody has it. Barely. And this skin, nobody. The rarest skin in Fortnite. This came out in 2017, mommy. It's rare. No, barely even anybody has it. Barely. And this skin, nobody even has it. And the username Ranger.